Hi, it's Jennifer Lee from Canadian Construction, and welcome to my home building series on how to build or renovate your home. Video number 1. I'm really excited about it, and the topic is what is the first step you should take when you're building or renovating your home. But of course, before we get to that, we got to make sure we do all the other stuff, which is if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe by hitting the button below and also hit the bell as well so you can get notified when I am creating new videos. Also, if you have any questions about the construction industry, or if you have any ideas for videos as well, please comment below. Me and my brother and my father, who of course are all part of Canadian, would love to help you out. And make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to let you know why you need to take that step, because there's always a why. Let's get started. What is the first step you take when wanting to build or renovate your home? You need to hire the architect first. So this is if you're going to build yourself a brand new home, and for renovations, this is if you're going to do a significant sized reno, like ripping down walls, changing plumbing, changing existing electrical. You're going to need an architect. And of course, if you're building a brand new home, you're going to need an architect as well, because they're going to design it. They're going to make the structure. They're going to show you what it's going to look like, and they're going to help you with whatever you want, like where you want your kitchen, where you want your bedroom, basically what you want your house to look like, or what your reno is going to look like. They need to know what's going to make your home your dream home. And of course, they're going to draft up those plans. And the reason that you need an architect, we covered it a little bit, is you need plans, because the builder and the interior designer are not going to have anything to go by. But on top of that, big reason why you need the architect is because they're going to submit the permits to City Hall, and you can't build or do a significant size renovation without going through the permit process. So very important. And of course, can't get permits without plans. So again, this is why you need to hire the architect first. But how do you find one? Well, that is coming up in the next video. How do you find an architect that is right for you? So thank you so much. And again, make sure you subscribe at the button below.